Hello friends, welcome back to English Worms. So this is current affairs of 26 November 2021. So let us start. Question number 1. As per the think tank Ideas Global State of Democracy 2021, which country was added to its annual list of backsliding democracies? Options are India, USA, Brazil, UK. The right answer is option B, that is USA. The international think tank International Institute for Democracy and Electoral Assistance, that is IDEA, released its report titled Global State of Democracy 2021. It added the United States to its annual list of backsliding democracies for the first time. It also stated that data suggests that the backsliding episode can began at least in 2019. As of 2021, the world will have 98 democracies, the lowest number in many years. Some countries like India, the Philippines, and the USA imposed measures that amount to democratic violations. Question number 2. Matosino's Manifesto. Matosino's Manifesto, which was seen in the news, is approved by which space agency? Options are ISRO, NASA, ESA, JAXA. The right answer is ESA. So the European Space Agency, ESA, Council, that means the European Space Agency, ESA Council approved the Matosino's Manifesto to accelerate the use of space in Europe. The new document signed by ministers from the ESA's 22 member states outlines 3 urgent initiatives named accelerators. They also signed 2 missions which aim to establish the ESA's own system to launch astronauts into space and to probe Jupiter's frozen moon Enceladus. Question number 3. WMO meeting on the Ganga Brahmaputra Meghna GBM river basins is being held in which space? Options are Varanasi, New Delhi, Patna, Lucknow. The right answer is option B, that is New Delhi. A meeting on the Ganga Brahmaputra Meghna river basins jointly organized by the World Meteorological Organization WMO, Ministry of Earth Sciences MOES, and India Meteorological Department IMD recently began in New Delhi. Scientists from Nepal, Bangladesh, Bhutan and China are attending the meeting. India and its neighboring countries sharing the trans-boundary GBM basins are planning to develop a hydrological SOS system, a system to share data on reservoirs, rivers and dam waters. Question number 4. Tantia Mama, who was seen in the news, was a tribal leader of which state? Options are Karnataka, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand. The right answer is option C, that is Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan announced that Patalpani railway station in Indore will be renamed as Tantia Mama railway station. Tantia was a member of the Bhil tribe of the indigenous Adivasi community born in Madhya Pradesh. Mama Tantia Wills was hanged by the British on 4th December. Question number 5. This is the last question. The question is, Frog ID is the National Citizen Science Frog Identification Initiative of which country? Options are India, Australia, Japan, Germany. So the right answer is option B, that is Australia. Frog ID is Australia's first national citizen science frog identification initiative. It is a project led by the Australian Museum in partnership with Australia's top natural history museums and IBM. Recently, 2 new species named the slender bleating tree frog Litoria ballatus and the screaming tree frog, that is Litoria Quiritators have been scientifically described with the help of citizen scientists and their recordings through the Frog ID app. So now this is time to answer the question. I had asked a question. The question was, which among the following is the oldest insurance company of India? The right answer is Oriental Life Insurance Company. So now this is the turn to ask the question of the day. The question is, Manika Batra, who was making news recently, is associated with which sports? Your options are cricket, table tennis, squash, tennis. So answer this question in the comment box. I'll answer this question in my next video to come tomorrow. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching. God bless you all. Thank you.